Hey everyone, welcome back to Techtide. You're in the right place if you're passionate about technology and eager to see how artificial intelligence reshapes our world. Today we're diving into some of the most exciting AI tools and technologies that are already making a significant impact. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about what AI can do, this video has something for you, so let's get started. First up on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI. You might have already heard of it, maybe even used it, but trust me, it's worth diving deeper into. This isn't just some viral trend. This is a powerful language model that's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts you feed it. And when I say human-like, I mean it can really hold a conversation, draft emails, write different kinds of creative content, answer your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange. The potential here is huge. Think about businesses using ChatGPT to really level up their customer support, providing instant responses and personalized help. We're already seeing it used to create marketing content, blog posts, even scripts. And yes, that includes YouTube scripts. And for the coders out there, ChatGPT can assist in coding, helping you write, debug, and even learn new languages. But what's really mind-blowing is how accessible this is becoming. OpenAI has been consistently updating and improving ChatGPT, making it even more powerful and versatile. They've even got different subscription plans, so you can find one that fits your needs, whether you're a casual user or a business looking to integrate it into your workflow. And this is just the beginning. As AI models like ChatGPT continue to learn and evolve, who knows what they'll be capable of in the future? This could be a game changer for how we interact with technology, how we work, and even how we create. Next, let's talk about DALL-E, another mind-blowing AI tool from OpenAI. Now, if ChatGPT is all about words, DALL-E is all about images. And I'm not talking about just pulling up existing images from the web. DALL-E can actually generate completely new images from scratch, just based on your textual descriptions. Imagine typing out a detailed description, like a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicycle on a tightrope, and getting back a unique, high-quality image that perfectly matches your request. That's DALL-E in action. This is a game changer for fields like graphic design, marketing, and even art itself. Imagine being able to visualize concepts and create stunning visuals instantly, without needing years of experience with design software. And just like ChatGPT, DALL-E is becoming more and more accessible. OpenAI has been making it easier for developers to integrate DALL-E into their own apps and platforms, which means we're going to see a wave of creative new tools and applications that leverage this technology. I mean, think about the possibilities here. We could see AI-powered design tools that allow anyone to create professional-looking graphics, websites, and even entire marketing campaigns. We could see AI-generated art becoming a mainstream form of expression, pushing the boundaries of creativity in ways we never thought possible. DALL-E is a perfect example of how AI is not just about automating tasks. It's about augmenting human creativity and pushing the limits of what's possible. All right, let's shift gears a bit and talk about the engines that power a lot of the AI we're seeing today. TensorFlow and PyTorch. These are two of the most popular and powerful frameworks used in machine learning and AI research. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds a bit more technical, right? And you're right, it is. But trust me, understanding the basics of TensorFlow and PyTorch is key to really grasping the potential of AI. TensorFlow, developed by Google, and PyTorch, developed by Facebook, both provide extensive libraries and tools for building and deploying machine learning models. Think of them as the operating systems for AI, providing the foundation upon which developers can build all sorts of amazing applications. And when I say all sorts, I mean it. These frameworks are used in everything from self-driving cars and personalized recommendations to advanced medical diagnostics and fraud detection. They're the backbone of some of the most innovative technologies being developed today. One of the coolest things about both TensorFlow and PyTorch is that they're open source, meaning they're constantly being improved and expanded upon by a massive community of developers around the world. This open source nature has led to incredible innovation and collaboration in the AI field. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting to explore the world of AI, understanding TensorFlow and PyTorch is a must. These frameworks are shaping the future of technology, and the possibilities are truly limitless. Chapter 4. IBM Watson, the thinking machine. Now, let's talk about an AI giant that's been making waves for quite some time now. IBM Watson. Watson is more than just a single tool. It's a platform with a wide range of AI services and APIs that can be integrated into various applications. But what really sets Watson apart is its focus on natural language processing and machine learning. It's designed to understand and reason about human language, which makes it incredibly powerful for tasks like analyzing large data sets, extracting insights from text, and even engaging in conversations. One of the most impactful applications of IBM Watson has been in the field of healthcare. Imagine a world where doctors can use AI to analyze medical records, assist in diagnosis, and even recommend personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. That's the kind of future that Watson is helping to create. But healthcare is just the tip of the iceberg. Watson is also being used in industries like finance, customer service, and even law enforcement to automate tasks, improve decision-making, and provide more personalized experiences. What's really exciting about IBM Watson is its potential to democratize access to AI. With its cloud-based platform and pre-built services, even businesses without deep technical expertise can leverage the power of AI to solve complex problems and drive innovation. Chapter 5. Hugging Face. Transforming the language of AI. Let's talk about a company making a big splash in AI, Hugging Face. Hugging Face is doing impressive work in natural language processing. They focus on transformer models. Transformers revolutionize how we process and understand language. They're behind advanced language models like ChatGPT. Hugging Face's platform makes it easy to access and fine-tune transformer models. Think of it like GitHub for AI models. Their models are used for text summarization, translation, and sentiment analysis. They're powering chatbots, virtual assistants, and more. Hugging Face is committed to open source and community-driven development. They believe AI should be accessible to everyone. Chapter 6. UiPath, the rise of the AI-powered bots. Let's talk about a company automating tedious, repetitive tasks. UiPath. UiPath is a leader in robotic process automation, or RPA. You might think, robots? Isn't this about AI? UiPath uses AI to enhance RPA, creating bots that learn and adapt. These bots can handle various tasks and workflows efficiently. Imagine automating tasks like processing invoices or responding to emails. UiPath's platform can automate these tasks seamlessly. It integrates with existing systems, automating repetitive tasks. This frees employees for strategic work, improving efficiency and saving time. As AI advances, UiPath's bots will become even more capable. They'll handle complex tasks, transforming the way we work. The future of AI is now. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and AI. Have any questions or thoughts on these tools? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.